can paddle it like an ordinary kayak. If you want to use a trolling motor to go fishing, you can put a trolling motor on it.
Okay, behind me I have a Raptor G1. It's a very versatile kayak. One of the things I've noticed that it comes ready with is you can mount a trolling motor directly to it with no modifications needed. I'm going to quickly show you, and then I'm going to test it out on the water. I want to point out on the back here, also known as the transom, this kayak comes reinforced inside with a piece of aluminum, and then they've bolted it down. And if you look on this side, they leave an eye here so you can tie off your motor to it. So it's solid, good and strong. I'm going to take what do we have here? MINN KOTA.
MINN KOTA, 38 pound thrust.
38 pound thrust. One of the top brands, I think, in the trolling motor industry. So we just tighten her down just like that, and watch here, see how solid that is, right? Pretty solid. Like I said, it's reinforced with aluminum. I would have a little chain or a rope to tie it off here in case this fell off and fell into the water. You don't lose your motor. Now you have your battery, the wires, the power wires. I haven't done it yet, but I'm putting hatches on the back here. So what I would probably do is I would run my wire through my hatch, or I may put a small hole somewhere here with the plug and feed the wire through, and I would run it up inside, up into this front hatch. So you would literally just spin that on quick. Just like that, we've got power. So you can extend that. If you were sitting here, you could reach back and you can steer it, no problem, right there like that. So that's it. Do you get a lot of interest in trolling motors for the kayaks?
Strangely enough, a lot of people inquire about it. And first off, they see the fact it looks like a transom on the back, and the first question they say, oh, you can put a trolling motor on there. Well, yeah, it wasn't really intended for that, but it works perfectly, and now we're reinforcing it so that you can put a trolling motor on.
Yes, it's very strong with that aluminum in there as well. Yeah. And more and more people are starting to go with the trolling motors and stuff, so I think it's great. I'm looking forward to testing it out. Either we get out there later tonight or tomorrow. Reverse. I think this is a 38 thrust motor, so it's got a bit of power to it. back her in. That was quite impressive. Well, there you have it. Easy peasy, just put it, plug and play. It's ready to install and go. For those of you that are into the motors, want the trolling motors, easy option. All right, well, thanks for watching. Hit subscribe and like the video. Over and out.